Hi, it's Emily, and today I did a video tutorial on this glittery look that I made to help celebrate the new year. Make sure to comment down below what your favorite memory from this last year was and what you're most looking forward to in this new year, because I'm really curious. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like looks like this and you want to see more, and let's get into the tutorial. First, I'm going to start off by priming the lids. So to set my primer, I'm going to go into White Lies by Makeup Geek. I like to use this color just to make an even base for me to work on. So I'm just going to take Confection by Makeup Geek, which is this really pretty lavender light purple. I'm going to blend that into the crease. I'm then going to take Petal Pusher, which is this deeper little mauve lavender color. I'm going to put that into a crease to help build up the color as well. I'm going to take Taboo, which is this pretty eggplant color. I'm going to build that into the outer corner and a little bit into the crease.
Perfect.
So today I'm going to use this Lit Cosmetics glitter base as my adhesive for the glitter. For my glitter today, I'm going to be using the Lit Cosmetics glitter in Champagne Wishes. For my brows today, I use these three products by Morphe Cosmetics.
Perfect.
For foundation, I'm going to be using the Ket Cosmetics. Today I'm going to be using the Tarte Cake Shape Concealer to help brighten and conceal. To create my contour today, I'm going to use this Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. Set all the creams I used today with this translucent powder by It Cosmetics. I'm going to enhance my contour by using this Pixie by Petra Shape and Shadow Contour Powder. For blush today, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Ridic. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using Ice Cold and Pink Chill, which is from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Platinum Ice Skin Frost Pro Palette. I like to use this Morphe setting mix just to help all my makeup melt together. So for my lower lash line, line today, I'm going to be using a little bit of Pale Pusher and Taboo. I'm also going to be using the same highlighter from earlier, Ice Cold and Pink Chill, to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. For mascara today, I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs mascara on top and my Pixie by Petra Lash Mascara on the bottom. For lips today, I used the Bite Cosmetics Lip Crayon in Glossé. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you like this video and you want to see more like it. And also subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.